Dr. Bach Flower Remedies of England. These are not for treatment of diseases, but these are all having higher uses and purposes. For example, you go on a long tour with the family to a far off place, you call it annual vacation. From the day number one of going on tour, either the head of the family or all of the members may daily take one dose of 5 Bach flower remedies. The names are water violet, clematis, aspen, honeysuckle, and you continue it till your return. Now you will be surprised to find that whatever you have spent by way of airfare or train ticket or hotel and other expenses during the annual tour, the same exact amount comes back to you in one way or the other within 7 days of your return, not in the way you planned or anticipated. It will be from an altogether different and unexpected source. This has been frequently verified by my students. For example, one lady went to Australia. The total expenses were about 1.5 lakhs. She was taking this tour combination. I repeat, water violet, clematis, honeysuckle, aspen. Also, if you like, you may add wild rose. While in Australia, someone presented her 3 sovereigns of gold chain worth about more than 1.5 lakhs. How it will come, nobody can say in advance. So, your annual tour expenses is taken care of. Therefore, you will agree with me when I say that God loves us so much. So, this is how to make combinations. Let us now go and examine to another single remedy, gentian. Gentian, gentian. This remedy is to be taken by all family members while they are at home or outside when these family members are together. Also, whenever you go and meet some relatives or thick friends, take a dose of gentian and see the outcome. It is said that a family is a university. If all members in the family take a dose of gentian, there is no need to go to college for studying MA or MPhil or BE, etc. Each family will be having some family profession which you might have not known or forgotten. That profession you alone can do because it is in the hereditary. Rather, it is in your gene. You will be surprised to know that by taking gentian for a month or two daily one dose, you come to know your family profession, your family trait, you follow that profession, and without studying in schools or colleges, you can learn a thing or subject by which even before you complete your BA, you can earn 5 to 7 times of what you would otherwise be earning after completing your MA or PhD. For example, when I took Genshin for a month, I came to know what were the profession of our family in the ancestry. Our job is to write commentaries for scriptures of all religions and also to give explanatory note for scriptures and other valuable works. I can now say with pride, if you don't call me arrogant, I am the only person in the whole world who can write anything and everything correctly, fully, and exhaustively on Bach flower remedies of England. This is in our gene, this is in our ancestry, this is in our heredity. So, without studying MBBS or BA, I am writing books on Bach flower remedies and no other person can do it. Also, in Mount Vernon, where Edward Bach lived, after his death, they were conducting 3-year personal course. My writings forced them to close down their 3-year course. Now, those who have studied there are finding it a waste, but by reading my few books, they are doing better than what they otherwise learned from that 3-year course. So, it is a remedy for family. Not only among family members, also whenever you go to visit a thick friend or a relative, particularly relative, blood relations, you take Genshin, you also give the other person Genshin, you will be surprised how you are able to dig out the best things. You call it in your family trait or ancestry or hereditary, and with that you can earn any amount of money as much as you want. This is Bach flower remedies. If any so-called saint or seer or sadhu or religious leader in India can guide you to such things, you can worship him. Otherwise, you have to make outright rejection of all these sadhus in India. Our enemies are not Al Qaeda, our enemies are Swamijis. In Western countries, they are prospering because they don't follow any sadhu or sannyasis. Our guru, our teacher, our guide, friend, philosopher is Dr. Edward Bach and Dr. Edward Bach only. Thank you all.